लिखे नहीं, रेडी? In the Constitution of Islamic Republic of Pakistan through the 18th Constitutional Amendment, Article 25A has been added, which identifies the education as one of the fundamental rights of the people. Full stop. The said article reads as under colon, the state shall provide free and compulsory education to all children of the age of 5 to 6 years in such manner as may be determined by law. Full stop. Generally, comma, the education is either formal or informal. Full stop. Formal education is imparted through the medium of educational institutions, comma, for example, school, comma, colleges, comma, etc., comma, set up in the public and the private sectors. Full stop. Informal education is a general term for education outside of standard school setup. Full stop. It refers to various forms of alternative education, comma, such as non-schooling or house schooling, comma, etc. Full stop. In Athenian society, comma, some countries had schools having teachers and pedagogues. Full stop. Pedagogues shared some qualities with specialist informal educators. Full stop. They were family attendants, often slaves, whose duties were to supervise, comma, and be with young sons of master. Full stop. They used to take the boys to school and sat with them in the classroom. Full stop. The teacher only taught boys their letters, comma, the pedagogue taught them how to behave. Full stop. It is argued that in Britain, comma, the first adult educators were the missionaries who came from Ireland or from continental Europe. Full stop. For many centuries, comma, the church remained the greatest educational force in the country. Full stop. The clergy, comma, the formal religious leadership, comma, had a duty to teach, with which they did through preaching, comma, talking with people, and through more specialized means such as schooling. Full stop. From the late 1370s, comma, preachers started to spread the gospel around Britain. Full stop. By the middle of the 15th century, parish libraries were established. The 17th century, comma, the academies and charity schools were also established. Full stop. In the 19th century, comma, there was great increase in formal educators, comma, particularly associated with the emergence of philanthropic organizations, comma, such as YMCA under bracket founded in 1844. Full stop. In the late 1960s and early 1970s, comma, non-formal education became part of the international discourage on education policy. Full stop. It was related to the concepts of recurrent and lifelong learning. Full stop. Tite suggested that the later concepts had to do with the extension of education and learning throughout life. Full stop. Non-formal education is about acknowledging the importance of education, comma, learning and training which takes place outside recognized educational institutions. Full stop. Fordham suggested that in the 1970s, four characteristics were associated with non-formal education, namely, reliance to the needs of disadvantaged groups, concern with specific categories of persons, a focus on clearly defined purposes, and flexibility in organization and methods. Full stop. In Pakistan, like so many other countries, there are formal and informal types of education. Full stop. In most of the countries, the education is free of cost from primary to the to postgraduate level. Full stop. In the Nordic countries, education is mostly free. Full stop. In Norway and Finland, no free, is even from foreign students enrolled at a university. Full stop. Greek and Argentina provide free education at all levels, including college and university. Full stop. In Brazil, free education is offered by the Ministry of Education. Full stop. In Sri Lanka, free education is provided at different levels, where government funded schools. Full stop.